Hi viewers, my name is Fiza Mehraj and I'm here hosting this panel today to review this book called The Cycle of Fulfillment, 5 Simple Goals to Achieving Real Success. I'm here with the authors of the book, Mr. Rizwan Shuja and Dr. Imran Khwaja. Mr. Rizwan Shuja is an inspirational speaker, a successful businessman and an author. And Dr. Imran Khwaja is a psychiatrist. He's a clinical professor at University of Oklahoma, has published several books and also a motivational speaker. Welcome to the panel, guys.
Thank you.
So tell me how two brothers who are highly successful in their fields and who have published a book before this one come to write this book, and what inspired you to write this book?
Our journey started 5 years ago when my brother Dr. Imran shared an inspirational video of Jim Rohn with me. Then we went to Tony Robbins seminars. Since then, we have attended many seminars, workshops, read many books in the science of success and personal development.
Yeah, and as a psychiatrist, I'm trained in psychotherapy, and these authors, they have their own different areas of expertise. A lot of success authors have their own disciplines, like some authors focus on financial wealth, some authors focus on physical fitness. So this gives us an opportunity to learn a lot more from these authors. And we decided to sort of synthesize what we can gather and put it in one book so it becomes very easy for the readers. Over the years of going through these seminars and coaching, we found that coaching is extremely valuable. But each coach and author have a separate focus or expertise. Some coaches focus on different aspects of personal development like physical fitness and finances. As we read and grew, our perception of success developed, and we realized that it is very easily achieved by achieving these 5 simple goals.
So that brings me to my next question. The subtitle of the book is 5 Simple Goals to Achieving Real Success. What are those goals and how do you define success?
The definition of success is different for different people. For most people, success is earning a lot of money and wealth. For some, it is winning an Olympic gold medal, and for some, it is having a very good relationship with God. To us, success is the cycle of fulfillment, which we can achieve by achieving these 5 goals. Goal number 1 is mental and emotional fulfillment. Number 2 is physical health and fitness. Number 3 is relationship with oneself, others, and God. Number 4 is success in business and career. And the number 5th goal is financial wealth.
So I'm curious, what is mental and emotional fulfillment and why did you put it on top?
To us, mental emotional fulfillment means to not experience negative emotions like hate, jealousy, anger, resentment, worry, fear, and at the same time cultivate positive emotions like love, compassion, empathy, sympathy, and the need of giving. The reason we put it on top is because our mind is programmed and conditioned to try to give us good and empowering emotions and at the same time prevent us from painful emotions like fear, failure, guilt, rejection, etc. So if we look closely, whatever we have done in life, starting from going to school, university, getting jobs, getting married, buying new houses, cars, the real goal behind all these goals was to feel certain emotions and not feel painful emotions. So the real goal is to change the way we feel or change the emotional content of our life. So our message in this book is, in order to achieve success, we have to make mental emotional fulfillment as our real goal. If we focus on getting money or the need of approval, we will not achieve success.
So how does achieving mental and emotional fulfillment help with other goals, and how are the goals interrelated?
Mental and emotional fulfillment is the real message of our book. If we are in a good state of mind and we feel good, it has an effect on our physical health, which is our goal number 2. And if you are in a good physical health and you are emotionally feeling better, you can have better relationships with yourself, with others. So that can help you network, which could certainly help you with your business, with your career. So if you're growing in your career and your businesses, you feel that you are improving. So these goals are interconnected, and once you're doing well in your business and career, you have good networking, good rapport with people, good moral values, that can automatically lead you to the fifth goal, which is financial success. So that's how the whole cycle is completed, where you attain all these 5 goals, but it leads you back to the mental and emotional fulfillment, which is our main primary goal.
Achieving every goal gives us further mental and emotional fulfillment. When you have achieved all these goals, it's going to go back and further give us mental and emotional fulfillment. We call it the cycle of fulfillment.
Wow, that is a great way to look at it. Now switching gears a little bit, why is relationship with God number 3 on your list?
I want to be clear here that we are not talking about belief in God. We are talking about improving relationship with God. So if we look closely at our first goal, which is mental emotional fulfillment, which is taming our ego and negative emotions like hate, jealousy, resentment, anger, and cultivating positive emotions like love, compassion, and the need of giving, which further cultivates our relationship with the higher self, which takes us closer to God and builds our relationship with God. Our ego wants us to be in turmoil, and our higher self wants us to be in peace. So our higher self means getting closer to God and spirituality, which is a big part of the religion, which also helps us improve our morals, values, and ethics like honesty, sincerity, and loyalty that builds our relationship with God. So in reality, the first goal is also a part of a relationship with God.
That's a lot to absorb. What is your response to people who tell you that their only goal is to achieve financial success?
Now we all know that we don't get rich by just working hard and playing safe. We get rich by showing our courage, by making the right decisions and taking actions. So mental and emotional fulfillment has a key role to it. When we are in a good state of mind, we make all the good decisions, we are courageous, we are able to take good steps. So that helps us move in the direction. But then if we are physically fit and we have good relationship with others, which is our goal number 3, that helps us network with people. And we all know that that is an essential step to becoming financially independent as well. So the first 3 goals and the fourth one leads to us to become financially rich. However, if we just make that as our first goal or primary goal, most people are going to find that they are not very successful or happy.
Also, mental emotional fulfillment helps us get good morals, values, and ethics like honesty and sincerity, so people can trust us and our business can grow many folds. And if our business is growing many folds, then money comes with it. So the goal is to become a person who has good values, ethics, who has knowledge, skills, who has persistence, patience, good judgment, selection, and then money comes with it. The message of our book is to tame our negative emotions by becoming a good person. A lot of preachers preach you to become a good person by not lying, being honest, and wanting good for others. But how do you do it? Our book has tools, techniques, methods, and exercises by following which you can tame your negative emotions and your negative thoughts. Our thoughts affect our emotions, and our emotions affect our belief systems that can affect our subconscious mind, that can permanently change our personality and behavior. So we have seen a huge improvement in our lives. Our happiness and peace has improved, our health has improved, our relationship with people and God has improved, and we have seen a huge improvement in our businesses and their profitability.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rizwan Shuja and Dr. Imran
Thank you very much
for sharing your beautiful message. Please buy the book. It's available on Amazon. The book is called The Cycle of Fulfillment: 5 Simple Goals to Achieving Real Success. It's also available on Barnes & Nobles. Thank you guys for joining us. Goodbye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.